Welcome to War Machines Explained, a channel dedicated to uncovering the artistry, history, and engineering behind the world's greatest knives and blades. From legendary swords that shaped civilizations to modern tactical knives designed for precision and survival, we explore the craftsmanship, technology, and cultural significance of edged weapons across time. Our mission is to present not only the sharpness of steel but also the depth of knowledge, tradition, and innovation that these blades carry. Here, you will find carefully researched explanations, professional analysis, and engaging storytelling that bridge the gap between history and modern engineering. Whether you are a collector, enthusiast, historian, or simply curious about the science of blades, War Machines Explained offers a space to learn, appreciate, and connect with the timeless power of the world's finest cutting tools. Join us on this journey, where every blade tells a story, and every edge reveals the art of human ingenuity. And now, something you already knew. The name Sebenza and Umnumzaan. The names Sebenza and Umnumzaan, crafted by Chris Reeve Knives, have become synonymous with precision, durability, and the very definition of excellence in modern folding knife design. These knives are not simply tools, they are benchmarks, studied and admired for how they unite advanced metallurgy, flawless machining, and thoughtful ergonomics into enduring icons. The Sebenza, whose name means work in Zulu, epitomizes the philosophy that true beauty lies in precision and reliability. Introduced in the early 1990s, it redefined the standards of the folding knife, particularly through the introduction of the Reeve Integral Lock frame lock, a mechanism that has since influenced countless designs across the industry. With titanium handles, premium steels such as CPMS 35VN, and an unparalleled level of fit and finish, the Sebenza is celebrated as a knife that marries simplicity with uncompromising performance. It has rightly earned its reputation as the gold standard against which all folding knives are measured. The Umnumzaan, meaning the boss in Zulu, builds upon that legacy with a bolder, more aggressive design. Released in the mid-2000s, it combined heavy-duty capability with the refined precision characteristic of Chris Reeve Knives. Its ergonomics are tailored for strength and control, while features such as the glass-breaker pommel and improved pivot system reflect an understanding of knives as true multi-purpose instruments. The Umnumzaan embodies toughness without sacrificing the elegance and mechanical mastery for which the brand is known. From an academic standpoint, the Sebenza and Umnumzaan represent a fusion of engineering innovation and cultural meaning. They stand as exemplars of how a knife can transcend utility to become an enduring standard of excellence, influencing not only the knife-making industry but also the expectations of users worldwide. They remind us that tools, when made with vision and care, can embody both functional necessity and artistic expression. In conclusion, the Chris Reeve Knives Sebenza and Umnumzaan are not merely folding knives. They are icons of modern cutlery. They symbolize reliability, innovation, and craftsmanship at its finest, of blades that do not just perform, but inspire. For collectors, professionals, and enthusiasts alike, they remain enduring testaments to what happens when engineering brilliance meets the timeless human need for a trustworthy edge. Thank you for watching War Machines Explained. Knives and blades are more than just tools of survival or symbols of combat. They are reflections of human history, craftsmanship, and innovation. Each edge carries a legacy, from the forges of ancient masters to the precision of modern engineering. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of the finest blades, we invite you to stay connected, subscribe, share your thoughts, and join our growing community of enthusiasts who value knowledge, tradition, and the art of steel. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and continue exploring the stories hidden behind every blade.